When you use the K-Cup pod insert with the deluxe coffee machine, you can enjoy a freshly brewed cup of coffee, tea, hot chocolate, and more. Here are some helpful tips for when you're ready to brew with your K-Cup. First, make sure you only use a Keurig-approved K-Cup pod. Look for the Keurig logo on the box to be sure. No generic or off-brand pods are compatible with the K-Cup insert and shouldn't be used with it. Next, always use cool, clean tap or bottled water with the coffee machine, not distilled water. Make sure your coffee machine and insert are clean before using them. Check the needles in the machine and insert for clogging. Use a clean, straightened paper clip or our cake tester and releaser to clean and unclog the needles as needed. To start, place the bottom cup on the insert and twist it until it's secured into place. Always use the K-Cup pod insert with the bottom cup attached. When it's not in use, you can nest the pieces for easy storage. Next, open the top of the insert. Place a Keurig-approved K-Cup pod inside, close, and press the top down. Make sure to fully pierce the top and the bottom of the pod by checking that the top and the bottom of the insert are flush. When it's ready, lift the top lever of the coffee machine. Slide the insert into the machine and close the lever. Don't force the lever close. If it won't shut, reassemble your insert and try again. Once the insert is in place, the size options will illuminate. Scroll to select your desired beverage size. Then press start. Now you're ready to go. Just like that, you have a delicious beverage waiting for you. Happy brewing!